guys, today I'm gonna make a little ring. It's here. It's blue, but this time I can make green. It's right here, the color. I'm asking, we can make a hard one this time. This time, we also gonna make some of these ones. You saw it's a little open here. Then we can make it more closer to not rip it. And actually, this time I can make pink paper. I already draw some things. And now I get some. Now I want this colors, also green and pink. The pink can be for the little box. And the ring can be the green one. Now, what one we need? Glue and scissors. And this is not a normal pencil. It's like a weird pencil. It's a real pencil. It's not. It's real, but it has a little different thing. It comes with a back and comes with a fairy, and he's a smelly pencil. Where you can smell it goes fairy. It don't have smell. It has. It's more edit. Now, this is a gold. It's not. This is not my favorite. This is also clearly my favorite. Now, we can make a ring. Now first, I forgot this. Sorry. So other fake. I also decorate where I have any fakes right here. And this is what I put on it. I put some extra fakes on it. This was the blue things. What? The blue just so lot. Wait, it's wrong. Now we get this other thing. Now first, you do like this. This time I can make a little more bigger the other thing. Now you need to put a crystal. It's like a circle. Like this. And like this. The galaxy ice cream gone with the other thing. This is the stripes. Now it looks like it's more faster in anything. Now I can't color the ring green. Wait, I said it one. We forgot about. No. Open up, Sandy. Now, not the cream of the orange, the red. Oh no, it's yellow. Here it goes. Not that blue for someone. It's almost done. Now we need the pink. How about the rainbow? I can make a little flowers. I can make a rainbow on it. Another one. So for cutting this one, now green. And this is a little straight green with more darker. It's what we like. Now, this is like a little supposed to be. You don't put glue on here, only the the thing for people to stand. And don't put glue also. You put like this. He can be standing like a bed. No light green. Now get this one. Oh, we want to first this one. Come on, please. I'm gonna need some of this colors. It's getting messy. Let me just do like this. So the straight. This it. Alright, then let's start to close these caps. It's a little hard way. Now we can continue. Now the dark blue. We don't forget this one. Now the normal purple. After I have a new color is a light color. It's a baby. Yes, you know what it says. LOL. It means LOL. Wait. It's hard. It's hard. This one. This is slow. Time now. Put this one. You forgot the pink. I think we don't need the color. The color. Wait, first let the pink color. Let's put the color with the other color pink. And now I have the orange. Now the darker. It's not that one, it's just black. Oh, this is violet. It's the more darker. Now, finished and finished. Now we can cut it, and after we get glue it up. Okay. Now we can cut with the rainbow says, oh, it matches the color. And just go to that. Now, taking it out. Oh, the rainbow color. Well, I want to put this one. I serious. Now first, this can be the bottom, this can be the, well, I don't think so. Let's do that like that. Whoa. It's all rainbow here. Whoa, whoa. Now, this can be the, like, this time we can look like this. And I just start gluing one. I want it to be more faster. Yeah. Now here and now turn. Now we need to lift it like this. Let's like lift it like this. This one's not good one. This nothing right there. I'll put this with the way I want it. I can look straight. Wait, this is the more right and this is the wrong one. It's going to be the same as that one. I just left glue there. Wait, we almost get glue the ring on. Now, it's hard. Why I ask this is crystal. And don't cut the crystal. Why that is the special one. Ah, don't get it. Look at this though. Yes, now see when I get that? You get it. Now, like that. Now we get. Now just get make it like this time. Again, don't put glue right here. Only the little thing. It's supposed to be. Now first you close it and boom. Now this is the more smaller and this is the more. Now I can put in the stop and everybody can see it. Oh, you see that it's more passive. Wait, this is more bigger, this is the smaller. You saw it? The sign is bigger, so you put in the edge, this is still bigger. Now, you saw the color is strange. Why? You saw the color. It kind of has a little stripe on it. It don't can see it's right here. It's not like a little thing on it. Now, this was the first one and this is the second. Now we can give you your friend you can stay with, and you can give to your mom so that, and you can close it and he can open it like boom. It got surprised. Now you saw the green thing again. Now wait a minute. Wait, where's that thing? Right there. Oh, I didn't get this piece. Now, pretend this is the more bigger, this is the smaller. You don't move, then I just gonna let you sleep. And boom. It gets away for a long time. Open. Just open himself. Now let's start the two ones. Wait. And go. You just can see a little. I just open it. Let's take a long one. Now let's start on him. He just ran away. Now, how do you keep like this? Wait, just keep there. And boom. Ah. And boom. Ah, it was the other way. Oh my gosh. This is more bigger. Now this is the more. Actually, this was the wrong way. It was a little strange. Now I guess it's ready to belong. Who's more forced? Ah! You just go. I don't notice that. The baby's more faster then. Why? I saw he's more baby. Now he's more tinier than I think he's the winner still. He's still getting into him. Then let's try it. It don't fit. Do you like to be with me? You can give to your friends or your moms. Goodbye. See you on the next video.